Hello, my name is Chanel. I'm 36 years old and I'm a student at UAF. I'm currently living in Arkansas. We PCS this summer. We made it a road trip. We drove from Alaska all the way down to Arkansas, but I will continue my degree with UAF. Things I enjoy are hiking. Anything that lets you move around, I really enjoy. We did Angel Rock 2 summers ago and it was beautiful. My long-term goals are becoming an addiction counselor. I'm just doing my associate's degree now as like my dry run, but the big goal in the end is to help people with their addictions. Other things I enjoy music. I love music. I also enjoy drawing and painting, and I'm a movie buff. I don't know if that's an art though, but it's something I like. I'm also a merchandiser for Hallmark, so all the gift cards and the stationery and the Christmas ornaments and Halloween themed things. Yeah, I put all that stuff out. Um, I'm a mother of two boys. I also have two fur babies. My husband's been in the service for 15 years and he's got 5 years left to retire. I'm looking forward to this course because I really want to better understand the Native culture. And I've got friends that are Native, so, you know, the more you know.